Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share some big news for all the macOS users out there who love experimenting with AI. HuggingChat is officially available on macOS. This is your chance to bring powerful open-source language models directly onto your desktop. Let's jump right in and see what makes HuggingChat for macOS so awesome. HuggingChat macOS is a native chat application that lets you leverage cutting-edge language models, similar to what you've experienced on platforms like ChatGPT, but with all the perks of being open source and easily accessible on your Mac. With markdown support, code syntax highlighting, and even built-in web browsing capabilities, this tool really takes the AI chatting experience to the next level. Now, let's talk about how you can get started. Installing HuggingChat is super simple. Step 1. Head over to the Releases section of the GitHub repository. Here, you'll find the latest HuggingChat macOS.zip file. Step 2. Download and unzip the file. Then drag the HuggingChat app to your Applications folder. And that's it. You can now launch HuggingChat from your Applications folder or use the handy shortcut, Command+Shift+Return. No hassle, no fuss. Let me show you HuggingChat in action. As you can see, the interface is sleek and intuitive. Whether you are drafting a blog post with Markdown, writing some quick code snippets with syntax highlighting, or simply having a conversation with the AI, it's all incredibly smooth. For example, let's use Markdown to create a simple task list. And boom! It renders perfectly. Now, how about a code snippet? Check out how the syntax highlighting kicks in, so useful if you're a developer like me and want some help with coding tasks. Let me also show you how easy it is to sort a list in Python using HuggingChat. We can use either the sort method to modify the list in place, or the sorted function to create a new sorted list. Another great feature is the built-in web browsing capability. Let's try a quick web search within HuggingChat. It's seamless and brings in information right when you need it. That's it, folks. HuggingChat for macOS is really taking open source AI to a whole new level. It's accessible, easy to install, and has all the features you'd need for both casual and professional use. Make sure to check it out, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next video.